Hi, in this video let me show you how to connect your Epson EcoTank 3950 and 3958 printer to your Wi-Fi network to be able to print and scan using your laptop or your phone. Let's go on the display over here. We're going to press the home button so we all start on the same page, and then with the up arrow and then the right arrow we're going to select this icon on the top where you see the Wi-Fi icon. Once it's highlighted, press OK. Select Wi-Fi, the first option, by pressing OK again. Press OK once more, and we're going to select this option, which is Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. It's the first one, so I'll press OK. It will search for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are currently around the printer, and it will give you a list. You can navigate the list using the up and down button. Highlight your Wi-Fi network and press OK. Then it's time to enter the password. Press OK once more. It will give you a keyboard, and here you can type it. If your password has numbers or symbols, you need to go on the lower left side. Select this option, press OK, and it will switch to numbers and symbols. At the end, highlight OK on the lower right side and press the OK button. Press the down arrow to select Start Setup and press OK. It will connect. You're going to get a blue check mark with Setup Complete once the printer is finally connected. If you press the home button, now the Wi-Fi icon on the top over here will be in blue, signifying that the printer is linked. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.